Thank you for being here and taking steps to protect your baby. Nebraska's Newborn Safe Haven Law, Nebraska Revised Statute 434903, allows the surrender of a baby up to 90 days old to an employee on duty at a hospital, staffed fire station, staffed law enforcement agency, or emergency care provider. The law protects individuals from prosecution based solely on a proper surrender. In this video, we will cover your options so that you can make the best decision for you and your baby. If you decide to surrender, we will cover how to do so safely. If you delivered your baby at home and need medical attention, call 911. What resources are available to help me? If you are uncertain how to care for your baby or need other support, please know there are resources available to you. Call or text the National Safe Haven Alliance Crisis Hotline at 1-888-510-2229. NSHA will help you locate resources and find a temporary placement or local adoption agency. For the benefits of your baby, Safe Haven should only be used when there are no safe alternatives. It may be helpful to speak with someone about support in parenting your baby. The NSHA helpline staff can connect you with available resources such as WIC, prenatal services, and the nearest Pregnancy Resource Center for diapers, baby items, and parenting programs. Temporary placement is a short-term solution for parents who need time to make a safe plan for their baby. NSHA can work to locate a temporary placement for your baby with a family member or an agency. You maintain all parental rights to your baby. NSHA can connect you with an adoption agency and support you through the adoption process. You will be connected with an adoption specialist who can help answer any questions you may have, discuss the adoption plans available to you, and help you choose the best option for you and your baby. NSHA's Crisis Hotline staff can provide you with information on safe haven locations and how to safely surrender your baby. Locations may have a safe haven decal displayed. However, locations are not required to display the decal, so you may not see a decal. Know that you are not alone and that help is available. That number is 1-888-510-2229. Where do I take my baby? Nebraska's Safe Haven law states that parents will not be prosecuted for a crime solely for surrendering a baby. For a proper surrender, Nebraska law states the baby must be up to 90 days old and surrendered to an employee on duty at a hospital, staffed fire station, staffed law enforcement agency, or emergency care provider. You must leave your baby in the care of an employee on duty or an emergency care provider. What information must I provide when I surrender my baby? You are not required to provide any information when you surrender your baby. However, it is encouraged that you provide as much information as possible to ensure the baby's health and safety. Helpful information to provide includes the date and time of birth, any pregnancy or delivery complications, any known health concerns for the baby, yourself, or the father or mother, if your baby has Indian tribe affiliation, the name of the tribe, and any other important information about your baby's medical, social, and family history. If you provide the information after the surrender, you can do so confidentially by visiting safehaven.ne.gov. This information will be provided to the Nebraska Department of Health and Human Services only to care for your baby. What will happen to my baby? The person you surrendered to will care for your baby until DHHS is contacted. DHHS will temporarily place your baby with a foster family. In Nebraska, parents retain parental rights following a safe haven surrender. Therefore, it is likely that a court case will be filed. The purpose of the court case will be to address parental rights and determine the best placement for your baby. You are not required to attend the court hearings. Can the other parent request placement of the baby? If a parent is known or identified, they may request the baby be placed in their care. Federal and state laws require DHHS to conduct a diligent search for parents. What if I change my mind? It is important to immediately contact DHHS to discuss regaining custody of your baby by calling 1-800-652-1999. Do not delay contacting DHHS if you wish to regain custody. Depending on the case status, DHHS will work with you on your options. Thank you for taking steps to protect your baby. We've listed additional resources on screen if you need to speak to someone about locating resources.